of which we are.
The major problem
we
is they are
we
not
are
staying in
having-
India.
We are having the infrastructure.
That is
How
the
can
reason
we-
because of which
let-
government is.
Yeah.
How can we make it?
Yeah. Expertise in that. As we all know that all kinds of research and development and all kinds of discoveries are made by the Western societies. Why? Because they are committed to it. They have expertise in it. They are not the jack of all trades. And when it is compared to India, you can see that the kind of research and development work in India it is conducted. That we are having expertise. I am not saying that we are not having the expertise, but the thought process is different because we are not made to have such kind of expertise which they are having. They are committed. They are committed
I
to.
just have to share some fact. There are 33% of Indians who are working in ISRO
Yeah,
right now.
that is what I am saying.
ISRO or NASA?
I'm sorry, NASA.
NASA.
In NASA,
And
33%
the
of
project
Indians are-
Mangalyaan. This.
Okay, let me complete.
I'm just sharing some facts.
Sir, Soma Mandan was the executive of this lunar probe.
Excuse me. What I'm trying to say, having an expertise is not it is not a difficult task. You can have expertise, you can achieve your milestones, but what matters is the timing. Were you able to achieve that milestones on time? NASA was made by an American society and they have mastery over it, and we Indians after many years was able to get into that.
Okay.
What I am to say that you as you said that Indians are working in different big organizations. What I am trying to say that we Indians are not made to work. We Indians are made to employ the people so that they can work, because we are having that kind of expertise. But the kind is we are not motivated to it. We are lacking in a path. We are not having that aim.
It's now my turn. Now it's my turn to speak. But as Aviral said that our Indian education system is lacking something. Like I think they are not lacking because our Indian education system is very much perfect because you have to get knowledge of basic stuff. Like if you're in class 10, you have to get some knowledge about biology. I'm not saying that you don't have interest in biology, but you have some basic knowledge of that. Like in our country, they are not like class. You have to study all things at very advanced level. Like class 10th level, if you are studying till if you are studying till class 10, I think it's a basic thing. Everyone can cope up. Like how much percentage you get in class 10th?
Somewhere around 94, 95.
No, that's very good. Now it's
No,
saying
that is
I
not
don't
good.
have interest in biology.
No,
I won't
that
able
is
to-
that is
but
not
you
good.
have scored.
No.
Let me complete. Let me complete.
That is
Aviral,
good.
let me
That is
complete.
good.
Aviral,
That doesn't mean that I will achieve excellence in my life.
Okay, Aviral, let me complete. But it plays some way. It will help you in your future. Like
No,
if
it
you
won't
studied
help
about if you study about biology, if you don't know about cells, if you don't know about what is about the heart.
I am not required to know about it.
Let
Yeah.
me complete it. Let me complete, my brother. Let me complete it. If you don't know about heart, if you don't know about liver, some basic stuff, everyone should know about it. Like it somehow plays some major role in your upcoming life. It will help you. Anyhow, it will help you. And other thing which you were saying that about as I listen about your
Excellence.
Excellence. They are excellence to the country, and a country now. But you are saying that our country is not developing. Our country is developing. Our country is not developing because
country is developing, but the thing is our milestones are delayed. We are not on time.
You know, education in India
timing
is
plays
very much.
important role.
They are so much ingenious in our India.
They are ingenious,
Indians
but they are not
very
having
much genius
excellence.
amongst country. Like
They
any
are-
other country,
yeah,
they are not
they-
that much genius person which we had in India.
But
the reason is
But you can still see that we are having lot many of engineers. Still the top 50 Forbes companies are from US. Why? We are having the workforce, but still we are not able to rule the
Because-
I can add
A lot
a
of the
to
pers-
it, and
I
last
agree
nail
with
in your
all of
coffin
it.
of discussion.
Yes.
The point is that we should and we must inculcate the main aspect of Indian economy. Indian economy is poor, and government is progressive rather than regressive rather than progressive. They work on the bimaris and all, diseases and all, as compared to working on research and development and planting and implantation of.
But my friend, as you said, infrastructure is equally important. We all are sitting over here, and just suppose we are all sitting over here and this AC is not working and proper lighting is not there, it will hamper our studies only. So what I am trying to say, infrastructure is equally important, and the government is providing the best to provide the required infrastructure. But the part is, education is something which can only be taught, and and it is the motive of the student, the hard work of the student, that how we channelize that education for the upliftment of the society. See, having knowledge, you must be having some every kind of knowledge, but you are not having the excellence. You are not knowing how to use it.
They have excellence.
No, they don't have. See,
They have,
Then
because
why
most
do
of them,
almost
most
all
of
the
them,
institutions and great companies of the world, which are listed in Forbes, why do they have CEOs of Indian origin?
that is why I am saying.
Why do they
that
have?
is-
have excellence,
that
but the
is-
We have
the
that
excellence,
is-
but we don't
that
have
is-
the major
infrastructure
problem,
because of which we
the
are
major
we
problem
are
is they are
we
not
are
staying in
having-
India.
We are having the infrastructure. The thing is, we are having the large number of workforce that they are ready to work for a minimal wages. Listen, if we are having that kind of expertise, no one will work for the other. See what you said, that we are employed in big organization. What I am trying to say, that why the big organization are not owned by Indians. Why the big organization?
So,
why we are working over it?
are you saying
Why
that
are
we
working?
are being paid less?
No,
Is this
we
the-
are not paid less. We are, what I
We have cheap labor facility.
We are, see, what I am trying to say, that we are having excellence, but we are not having that kind of willpower that we can say that I can compete with it and I will make the product better than it. We are not having that because we are lacking in the excellence. What we are trying to say, that we are having the required knowledge, and it is better to work for them because they are having the excellence. If the person is working in Microsoft, the person should be having some capabilities.
First of all,
let me complete.
Yes.
If the person is working in Microsoft or Google, then the person must be having the required knowledge and required skills. So because it is because of that he is working in Microsoft or Google. But if the person is having that kind of knowledge, he is lacking the willpower. He is lacking in the willpower, because if he has the willpower, then why can't he make the company which can compete with Google or Microsoft? If he has such level of confidence that he can make the products from Microsoft and Google which can rule the world, why can't he make by its own efforts? See what you said, that 33% of the Indians are working in foreign. Why are they working in foreign?
Because we don't have infrastructure.
Let me get this.
See what I am trying to say. Infrastructure can be the one reason. See, you can hide the capabilities and skills for some time, but if you are too motivated, and if you are too motivated and if you have guts to do the excellence, infrastructure won't stop you from achieving the great things.
Aviral is
And
That is why
superstitious
most of the
about these
people
points.
migrate.
I think
And
Aviral is
there
little
are-
superstitious because
No,
you're
it
not
is not.
talking
I do
about
also
practical
think the
stuff.
same.
Yeah.
You're not
I do
talking
also
about-
favor
You're not
Shashwat.
talking about the practical stuff.
I
Which is going
know,
on in
see,
which is going
practical.
on.
I am.
You have
You
to
are
talk
saying that
about-
education
I
system is
just
backward.
want to tell me that having ability, having the knowledge of everything, why are we going to sit in other country? For any employee.
Yeah, if
What
we are having that,
Because we don't have great
Let me give the
companies over
example.
here.
Let me give you the
Yes.
example.
so why can't we
They
make,
are-
why can't we make that great companies in India itself, if we are having the
How can you
workforce?
That
make it?
is
How
the
can you
reason
make it?
because of which
Let-
government is.
How can you make it?
Yeah, how can I make it?
You are
Yeah,
very
see,
brilliant.
listen,
You are
yeah,
pass
yeah.
out from IIT and
Yeah,
just
yeah.
qualified from IIM.
Yes, yes.
Then how can you build a huge infrastructure?
Yes.
Let me give
Yeah,
the
yes,
answer. Let me give the
there
answer.
are great examples. If I give you, then you will
Give me example, please.
The first example is of Ratan Tata. only.
Ratan Tata, okay.
Tata, being an Indian, having the skills, having the excellence in mastery in businesses, he opted to work for India.
And
And
be Ratan Tata.
Yes,
you know?
you're not talking about me.
Yeah, you are talking about Ratan Tata. You must be knowing the time when Ratan Tata stepped into his family business.
Okay.
His family business was not doing well.
But
his passenger segment of car was
You know,
doing.
to grow any big company, you must have some earnest money with yourself. Like you
Yeah.
have like Ratan
see,
Tata.
money-
His family background
Was good.
Is
It
was
was
good.
good. It was good.
He has
Okay.
some financial stability. But if you talk about some normal person, he doesn't have that much good
But he has
family
ability.
background.
But
he has ability.
But my friend,
but that is
but,
a very-
but my friend, financial cannot be the stepping stone in the part of success.
Yeah, I'm not saying success. I'm saying to build empire.
Yeah,
You're saying
very good.
how to build empire.
That-
He can only build empire by if you have financial stability.
So how did
mind?
how-
If you have knowledge of
So
books, if
how-
you have qualification,
so how
that
did-
will never work.
how
to
did-
get to
how-
grow your empire.
So
Yes, also.
so how did Ambani make such big
Because he
empire?
has a good family background.
No,
Dhirubhai Ambani
yes,
is a
no.
very good
Obviously.
industrialist.
Vimal was
If
a
you don't have that
trendsetter.
much
Vimal
good
was a
financial
trendsetter.
stability, you won't be able
Because
to
of
build that
Dhiru
empire.
Bhai Ambani.
Yeah, what?
Yes.
You can give the
Mumbai has
example
been
of
called
Dhirubhai
Cotton
Ambani.
Palace of
You
India
can give the
because of
example
Dhirubhai
of Dhirubhai
I
Ambani.
am
You
giving
can't give the
example-
example of Mukesh Ambani.
No, I am giving the example of Dhirubhai Ambani.
Yes, you can give the example of
was
Dhirubhai Ambani.
was bought and brought up in a family which is which is living in poverty,
Yes.
and still he may,
But-
you know what is
okay.
the age of Reliance? It is just 44-year-old.
Okay, I'm
44
I'm
years
agree,
old.
but
Reliance
let
is
me-
just 44 years
but
old.
you have
Can
to
you
give your
imagine-
points in a
can
majority
you
purpose.
imagine
Your
that a
points are
company
not
being
Listen to Saswat, it's a
your
great
points are you have to talk. If you
You are
talk
going
about
to
something,
minority.
if you talk about something, you have to talk in majority. Like people who are in a society, you have to talk in majority. Like you are talking about minorities
That
like,
is
in a society.
that is what I am saying. That these the kind of education which the India is having, we are having the great scientists, great number of.
Then it means that we
great
have a very
number
good
of-
knowledge.
Yeah,
We have a very good education system.
We are having, but what I am trying to say that we are lacking the willpower, we are lacking the excellence. See, if I am very much confident that I am having the required.
Then how can we build the willpower? Let me tell the answer.
We can
Let me tell
see
you. Give me a
yeah,
answer.
what I'm trying to say. The acts which you are doing from your birth, since your birth, you have kind of expertise, because not only your mind, your subconscious mind is also motivating you that you can do it. You don't have to think it twice. Like you walk, you don't have to think that I will fall when I'm walking, because walking is something that your subconscious mind is controlling you. Then
What do you mean to say?
I mean to say that the acts which you regularly do, in which you have interest, in which you have passion for it, and if you are doing since birth,
But he's talking
That-
how can you build willpower?
that is
Build
what,
that.
yeah, that is what I am saying.
Okay.
Then not only your conscious mind, your subconscious mind is also motivating you, is also ruling the functioning of it. Like if I have interest in maths,
You should have inculcated vocational studies into Indian system of education. I would have said this. So as to develop this kind of willpower, you will have to inculcate vocational studies into this.
no, vocational
And
studies also play
what
a very
you are
important.
saying that India is impoverished in terms of skills. If we are not skilled, then how can the
We
great
are
companies run by
skilled.
Indians?
No, great countries are run by Indians because they find Indians equally capable and able to take their companies to places, because the companies are having the patent, the required number of expertise, the required number of workforce, but where they lack in good engineers. And we Indians
We have good engineers. Who's saying we don't have good
no.
engineers?
See, if 33% are Indians are employed in these
Then
multinational
definitely
companies,
most of these will be engineers.
no, if
I do think so.
They
Because
are-
there are
they are-
innumerous number of NITs and
Yeah,
IITs
yeah,
and
not
IITs.
even engineers.
having
Aerospace engineers.
having IITs and NITs doesn't mean that we are having a good number of students who are engineers. See,
Yes,
they-
most of them.
most of
got-
them I know most of them
were willing to go
But
in some
how?
overseas
Let's-
company.
let's come to the
because
point.
overseas company
why
giving
they are
them good
that is
allowance
what
and-
that is what I
Guys.
mean, that why they are willing to go. Why can't they make in India itself? If they are if they are
Let's come to the topic.
Yeah.
The question
Let
was
me touch
why
that
do
point.
we have broader horizon, broader subject list in our Indian system in the primary and the till the intermediation as compared to the foreign ones?
Yes.
That was a topic,
Yeah.
and I have a supportive stance. I say that education has never hampered the individual development or skill development or so. So the more aware you are, the more you will be into the daily jargons of everyone's life, and the more you will come out of your normal life and
See, what I am trying to say,
work wonders.
what you said was I completely agree with you, but what I am trying to say,
You are saying
no,
that let's-
what I am trying to say, see, having knowledge of every field of every aspect of life is quite important, and it is very important. But that knowledge can be imparted after the person has achieved some kind of excellence in the area of interest. See, that kind of knowledge, the kind of knowledge of each and every aspects of life we can have after having the excellence, after knowing the area, our own area of interest. See, if I
Let me-
wait a minute,
okay.
you have very bad here. If I am motivated towards mathematics, I know I have keen interest in mathematics, then I should pursue then I should go for the excellence in mathematics, and at the same time there should be some subjects for I think 3 to 4 months, giving the general basic knowledge of other aspects of the life.
let me
like bio,
intervene in
physics,
between.
First-
Yes,
and,
please.
and it will make me a complete person.
Aviran, let me
Yeah.
give my point. Let me give you example.
Yeah.
Like if you become a very good, if you have achieved very much in life, like you are something
Achievement is something which can't
Let-
be
let me
measured on the
complete.
basis
Like,
of your
let me complete.
earning.
If you have completed your studies, you have completed your mastery,
No, it's
and then I will give you the
learning
class
is
10
a
standard
constant
biology.
process.
Let him complete,
Let me
please.
give you the- Like if you completed your mastery degree and
Yeah.
now I will give you the biology book of class 10th,
Huh.
will you have that much interest in it to study?
See, interest is
That
some-
much,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. That is what I am saying.
Hmm.
You are coming over here to know about the English, and you are studying English
Hmm.
since your birth.
Hmm.
You are, but still you are coming over. You are not
I
having.
think you
excellence.
don't have that much
That-
grace that much you have in when you're
No,
in class 10th.
no, no.
Because in that time
okay,
you were nothing.
Okay.
And if your
okay.
self ego will not allow you to study
No,
these
no,
things.
that is.
Let me
that
add
is
one
something-
point into it.
That is something different. Learning is a constant process,
Hmm.
and the human brain is made in such a way
Hmm.
that it can learn each and everything irrespective of your age.
Hmm.
So what you said that I may not have that kind of enthusiasm when I have achieved something in my life to
Hmm.
studying bio.
Exactly.
Yeah, that is what I am saying. See, if I am satisfied, if I have achieved something, and if I am adding value to the nation, my work is adding value to the nation, then there is no need for me to know how to know about physics or biology. See,
That's what I'm.
that
that's
is
what I'm
that
saying.
is
That's what I'm
that
saying.
is what that
It
is
means- it
that
means
is
you're
what
not-
I am saying. See,
You don't have knowledge of
No.
basic stuff. You don't have knowledge of basic stuff.
Yeah, that is not required. See, being a doctor.
required.
No, it
It
is
is
not
required.
required. Being a qualified doctor, my job is to cure the patient, not to do the administrative task or not to know about the this is
I'm not saying you're
this
a
is
doctor.
America and this is Russia.
I'm
not
saying you're a
required to
doctor.
know about
I'm not
it.
saying you are a doctor. If you are like if
Yeah,
you study
yeah.
commerce, you are CA. You
Yeah, if I'm
become
CA, then I'm more concerned about the finance. I'm more concerned about the
But
finance
you
and the
must
economy
have
and
knowledge
GDP.
of basic stuff.
Yeah,
You must have knowledge of
yeah,
that.
I am having.
You
See,
don't be
so,
that-
okay.
If
you-
anyone
you
asks me
have-
what is brain,
no.
you know, I don't know about brain. I know where's brain. I think brain is here. I think brain is there.
But it's
Shashwat,
something environment, you know, what's the use
Shashwat,
of
let
it?
me have a favoring point in your perspective to him. That had Deepika Padukone not been aware of this field, film industry, we would have lost a famous actress. She was a national medalist in badminton, and had she been into your inverted triangle status, she would not have come into Indian film industry, and we would have lost a great soul.
See, that is what I am saying. That is something which I am saying.
That is a major disadvantage
No,
of you
that
favoring
is-
Western
that is
style of
not it.
education.
See, this human mind is immensely teachable, and it can be taught anything at any age. It is just your level of interest. And what I said earlier, if you have keen interest in anything, you should develop. You should be motivated, and your environment should force you to move to have excellence in that field. And at some point of time, and at some point of a stage, when you feel that I lack some kind of expertise, or I am not motivated in these studies, you can change your path, because this human brain is immensely teachable. I think you should completely agree.
The
with
thing
it.
is regret.
Yeah, what?
The
No,
thing
no,
is regret.
That is
That had you had
Chacha,
started
एक
it,
second. What?
had you had started it earlier, you would not have had
No,
felt this.
see.
This kind of awareness can only come with our style of education as compared to yours.
What I'm trying to say, that life is full of surprises, and you should not feel that my decision is always correct. It is just a decision. It is just a decision. What will it do? What the maximum loss you can have? You can the maximum loss which you can have, that you will waste some time only. And see, if it is a
I
failure,
think time is money.
that
You
is
can't waste your
what,
time.
yeah,
Yes.
that is what.
The regret is what
That is
transcends
what-
down to the life
That
and
is
the
what I am saying. To remove this regret, we should have an inverted system of triangle, because if we know what kind of interest the person is having in this 6th or 12th, we should motivate that person to procure or to excellence in that field.
you are saying that you are
Our
agreeing with
Indian
our
education
style
system
of
also follows this
education,
thing.
No, I
Indian-
know.
and then
Let
you
me
are
give
saying
you
that you are
example.
regretting that.
Exactly.
No, what
You are just being contrary to your own points.
No, I am not being contrary. What I am trying to say, that if the person knows what kind of interest he has in which kind of
And
subject.
how will he come to know when he isn't aware of all the fields and all the streams
No,
where he
that-
could choose to?
That is what I am saying. So, till first or till second, the person is the child is taught each and every subject in Western countries also.
So
Till
you
first-
start teaching toxicology to a child,
Not-
and he will start becoming passionate of it.
Not-
And after that, he will come to know that he wants to become a badminton player or so cricketer.
Yeah, that can be true.
This is self-defeating. This conversation is self-defeating.
There is an advantage of teaching everything in class 10th and class 9 because if you don't know, if your interest, how will you come to know that in which field I have
Why is
interest?
he going to the basic class of that? We are talking about the Western culture and just.
He's saying the education system of our India is not good.
Study. So it should be added or not, like all the religions. Not
I think it should
I
not be
don't
added.
think so.
It should be
It
added.
should
No,
be
no,
added.
it should not be
It
added.
should be added
Because it teaches the moral education.
So what about the
it teaches you the moral culture,
It's
virtues.
obviously.
It makes you the complete man. You see if you are
But
not,
religion
Then
are
religion-
based on myths.
What about things which you study?
What I'm
What
trying
about
to say,
things which you teach?
what I'm trying to say that religion should not be taught, but the values of religion should be
Yes,
taught.
should be taught.
There is a difference.
We have
I
that.
think
kind
values of
we have-
religion, we can
have
take a
EVS
great
subject,
example
we
of
have
South
EVS.
Africa,
We
Saudi
have
Arabia.
EVS.
Listen, we can take a great example of Saudi Arabia. They are teaching their in their curriculum till 10th the Mahabharata. So you will come to know that they are teaching the religious aspect of our
Religious.
and the
It is-
personality development of these
what I'm
things.
saying that holy book should not be taught.
Yes.
But the teachings, that the virtues,
The virtues should
We
be
get
taught
teach
because we
get
do
teach
lack
that.
in
No,
I'm not
religion.
saying that.
no,
We
no.
have EVS subject in it.
EVS
But
is something
you know,
which is
EVS
related to environment.
we get
EVS is
moral
something
studies
which is
in it.
related to environment.
No, we get
It's
the moral,
completely
we get the moral
rudimentary.
studies in it. We get the moral studies in it.
No,
What are you talking?
No,
We get the moral studies.
EVS don't have moral studies in it.
No, brother, it has. I've studied in my school.
What
I've
is the
studied-
full form of EVS?
Yeah, I
It's
don't know the meaning of
environmental
EVS.
studies.
I don't know the full form of EVS, but I
Yeah,
know that
EVS
what they are trying to
EVS is something which is related to the environment.
No, brother, no.
It
You are
is
still
still
wrong.
very-
You are still wrong. EVS, as my perspective, I think that EVS also tells
Your
the
EVS
moral studies.
So at-
Because in my
EVS
school, if I'm from Navatne College, I also study EVS, and this
Wait, I just
What I'm trying to say that-
Agril was saying that everything must be added as on the perspective of religious, but not holy book.
Yeah,
Yes.
holy book
Don't
should
you
not
think
be.
that
But
every
we can
holy
take
book-
the help of
wait,
holy
wait,
books.
Agril, every holy book teaches and guides us in a way to have moral education.
Yes,
Because
we can
every-
take
like
the help
I
of
can
moral
talk
books.
about Bhagavad Gita, Quran,
Yeah.
we can
Yeah.
take